Wearing the laurels, a dive into its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, wearing the laurels. This phrase is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore what it means to wear the laurels, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Wearing the laurels refers to receiving honor or accolades for an achievement. It's a metaphorical expression used to recognize someone's success or victory, often in a competitive field or after a significant accomplishment. The phrase draws its imagery from ancient traditions, where laurel wreaths were awarded as symbols of victory and excellence. The tradition of awarding laurel wreaths dates back to ancient Greece and Rome. In these cultures, laurels were associated with Apollo, the god of music, poetry, and the arts, symbolizing peace, victory, and achievement. Victorious athletes, distinguished poets, and successful warriors were often awarded laurel wreaths as a sign of honor and respect. This historical practice is the foundation of the modern phrase, wearing the laurels. You can use wearing the laurels in various contexts to acknowledge someone's achievements or to modestly speak about your own successes. Here are a few examples. Acknowledging someone else's success. After winning the international chess tournament, she is truly wearing the laurels. Reflecting on personal achievement. I never imagined I'd be wearing the laurels in this competitive industry. It's a respectful and somewhat formal phrase, perfect for written acknowledgments, speeches, or any situation where you want to convey respect for achievement. Understanding the phrase, wearing the laurels, not only enriches your English vocabulary but also connects you with a piece of history that celebrates human achievement and excellence. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this beautiful phrase for you. Remember, language is a bridge to the world's culture and history, and every phrase has a story. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Happy learning!